Creating a homemade protein powder using seeds and nuts is a great way to get a natural and nutritious boost of protein. Here's a simple recipe you can try at home. This recipe focuses on using easily accessible seeds and nuts that are known for their high protein content, as well as other health benefits. Homemade seed and nut protein powder recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup raw almonds, 1 cup raw pumpkin seeds, the betas, 1 cup raw sunflower seeds, ½ cup chia seeds, ½ cup flax seeds. Optional, 1/4 cup hemp seeds for an extra protein boost. Instructions: roast the nuts and seeds, optional, for added flavor. You can lightly roast the almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Spread the almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds on a baking sheet in a single layer. Roast for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they're slightly golden and fragrant. Allow them to cool completely. Blend the ingredients. In a high-speed blender or food processor, combine the roasted, or raw, if you prefer, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds, if using. Blend on high until you achieve a fine powder. Depending on the power of your blender, this may take a few minutes. You might need to stop and stir or shake the blender to ensure an even consistency. Store the protein powder. Transfer the protein powder to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place, or in the refrigerator to extend its shelf life. Use within a month for the best freshness and quality. Usage tips: add a scoop of this homemade protein powder to your smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a protein boost. You can also use it in baking recipes to increase the protein content of bread, muffins, or pancakes. Nutritional information: this homemade protein powder is rich in protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. The exact nutritional content will vary based on the specific ingredients used and the serving size. Generally, seeds and nuts are excellent sources of magnesium, zinc, iron, and vitamin E, among other nutrients. Creating your own protein powder not only allows you to control the ingredients but also ensures you're getting a whole food source of protein without added sugars or preservatives commonly found in commercial protein powders. Enjoy your nutritious and natural protein boost. Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.